As we are aware that recently we have observed Good Governance Week, which was started from 19th December to the 25th December. So during the observation of this Good Governance Week, there was an instruction given by our Honorable Chief Minister. So as per the direction of our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, today we have decided to conduct Miyagi Numit. So today, as you can see, all the DLOs and all the line department officers and staffs, they are present here, and many visitors they have also come. So whatever grievance or complaint or whatever benefit they want, so we are trying to ensure on the spot itself. And also, since today is the third Saturday of this month, but from next month we have decided to conduct this Miyagi Numit on every second Saturday of every month. So now it will be continuing for whole year, and also this time we have decided to conduct this Miyagi Numit at the office of the Deputy Commissioner. But from next time we will also do it through our media friends only, so that more and more public can be aware and they can also come to get the benefit, and whatever they have a problem or grievances, that could be also redressed on the spot itself. So next time we'll try to conduct this Miyagi Numit at Ima Market, which is at town itself, and next month we'll try to shift some other places, so that more and more like a beneficiary they can come and attend and they can get benefit. So with this, like, I would also request to all the friends from our media, so please give wide coverage and wide publicity to this Miyagi Numit, so that the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister and also of our Honorable Prime Minister to ensure good governance, and also to ensure like all the service delivery and the like doorstep of every citizen, that could be fulfilled. So with this, like I would also extend my gratitude to all the district level officers, because since morning they have come along with their all the officials, and they are also listening to all the applicants, and they are trying to redress their grievances. Thank you.